Hey everybody, today we're in an F150. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip commercial mount number 213582. Before we get started, there are a couple things to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue coverings in 3 different spots on this mount. You want to peel those covers off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach to the side of the console here. And the first thing we're going to use is actually, if you follow this panel down underneath, where this hard plastic panel meets the panel underneath, there's a seam right there. And we are going to insert this lower lip into that seam so it comes up and clicks into place. Right down here. Make sure it's fully seated all the way across. And you will have to hold it in on top to make sure it stays in there. Now, we're going to use our fingers and pull upward on the mount so that we can get this lip up and over this edge right here. Now, just note, we are not going into this seam here. We are pulling the lip all the way up and over this full edge so it sits right here. So I'm just going to get our fingers under there, lift up, and then make sure it sits secure there. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder or pedestal mount. So now we're ready to install the pedestal. There are 2 different amps positions on the front and the back of the mount. We're going to choose the back today. So first, we're just going to loosen the lower wing nut. And then we can just bend the pedestal forward a little bit, and that'll give us room to install the screws. Now we're going to use the included machine screws with lock washers and secure the pedestal to the mount. Now that the screws are secure, we can adjust the pedestal and retighten the lower wing nut. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.